Hello everyone. Today is my first day in my class. I am very happy. All my friends are also very happy. My name is Stacy. I like to speak with my friends in English. My teachers help me to learn through games and activities. I know some poems and I love to sing these with my friends. I come to school every day to learn new things. It's fun to learn and play in the school. There are boys and girls in my classroom. We listen to our teachers. There are a few rules for the classroom. My teacher has made a poster for us to follow the rules. A very important rule is to keep our classroom clean. The things we need are brush, mop, water bucket, duster, liquid soap and signboard to show if the floor is wet. This habit will help us keep our school and home clean. In this way, we will always be healthy and happy. Thank you for watching this video. And write down 2 class rules in the comments below. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye for now.